Assalamu alaikum grade 6s. So today's topic is ratio. Right, so what ratio is basically you are comparing two amounts to each other in set proportions. Okay, it's also related to fractions. I'm going to explain how you do it soon, right? So let's look at this example here, this picture of this hat and these bows. So here we have one hat. Okay, we have one hat and we have two bows. So the ratio of hats to bows is actually 1:2. For every one hat, we must put down two bows. Okay, now this ratio can also be written as a fraction, which is going to be 1/2. Okay, but you don't have to worry about that for now, okay? So now we are going to make the second picture, this one here, the same as the first picture. We have to correct it, okay? Add something to the second picture so that the ratio is the same for both pictures. So now what did we say the ratio was? For every one hat, we must have two bows. Okay, so let's look at this hat here. Here's one hat. Now we need to select two bows for this hat. So there we go. Now here's one hat. However, there's one bow that is missing here. So in order for us to make the ratio the same as the first picture, we need to now add one more bow. Okay, now the ratio is correct. Do you see that? Okay, so the ratio remains the same. We can also write this as, let's count the hats. We can write it as 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 is to 4. We can also write this as a fraction, which is 2/4, which if you guys know from the fractions that we did in term 1, can also be written as half. See? Okay. So this is the ratio in the simplest form. This is it in this picture here. It can also be written as 1:2. Okay. Right, I'm going to do this example here with you. Blue caps to red caps, 5:8. So for every 5 blue caps, we need to have 8 red caps. So I'm not going to draw caps, I'm just going to draw dots. Okay, so, or circles. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For every 5 blue dots, we must have 8 red ones. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now if I were to draw maybe 10 blue circles, right, that means that I would have to draw about 16 red ones. Okay, and that ensures that our ratio is the same. Okay, here, copy and finish each picture to make equal ratios of red to blue objects. So here, for every 3 red circles, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There is 4 blue ones. So here, 1, 2, 3, we're going to draw 4 blue circles. 1, 2, 3, another 4 blue circles. Okay,